Kikombe cha umbea kimeshadunda mezani, yani
chai ya moto show.
Orege mwiroreri witu wa Just Kenya Official TV jetekeria gunyiti ogeni thiini wa ceceni ino haria turagithi na mbere gukumenyithia mohoro mothe maria marahanika thiini wa nenda citu cio kinya na ngehoka ti wi thayo wa mwathani oruragithi na mbere gubuatirira mohoro maitu kuma ceceni ino na mwena wa Facebook maundu no magithite na mbere #Justice for Jeff na riu Simon Mwangi Muthiora oria wokire na #Justice for Jeff no agithite na mbere gukorwo aki-update muingi kumana na gikuo kia mundu gwitwo Jeff Mwathi o haria aretikia ati kihoto kia mundu gwitwo Jeff Mwathi no nginya kingikinyaniria na kuma gwe Facebook page yake ni akoretwo akiandika maundu maya o maria ngwenda guthomera mwiroreri o iria fotanite na video ironania CCTV footage o iria DJ Fatxo hamwe na airetu angi marakorwo makionekana thiini wa footage ino na ni ngwenda mwiroreri ukorwo ugithi na mbere kwirorera footage ino o ria turagithi na mbere guku update maundu maya no Simon Mwangi Muthiora ni akoretwo akiuga atiriri the two gentlemen surveyed the ground floor at 5:30 a.m. They then take the lift at 5:39 a.m. and exit at 5:40 a.m. They take less than a minute. In a different frame, we can see Jeff hitting the ground at 5:47 a.m. Remember this photo, na nigia akorwa kaiga riki hau. Akaga this photo was sent by the DJ himself to several people who were at his house on 24th February. At what time was this photo taken? Why was he sending it to the people? What happened in the bedroom when the four locked themselves in that bedroom? Why was Jeff crying? What did they do to him? And nigia akorwa kiuga atiriri Jeff's last distress call was at 4:54 a.m. What other phone calls were made from this room? We shall have those answers eventually. Nigia akorwa gitikia ati DCI no makorwo magithuthuria uhoro uyu na ningi kuma na macokio o maria maretikia ni very positive mwena wao. Macio nimo tukwariria mwiroreri o ihinda riri tuonane kahinda kangi gatari karaya.